Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about some Outlook features and the shortcuts over there. So first of all, we will discuss about the category, that how we can create your custom categories, and the how we can use to differentiate, or you can say your segregate your mails based on their categories. So basically, if we are going to I have already set up some categories as per my requirement. So you can just go to the setting option, you can go to the general. In the general section there is the category option. So what you can do, you can create your own custom categories. Okay, so basically also you can edit your existing, and you can delete it, you can favorite it. It's up to you that what kind of categories options that you are choosing. Also there is a one option that you can use as a shortcut, keywords to simplify your categories. So it is available for the desktop version. In the desktop version, you if you are selecting the categories and you are editing, there is an option for the shortcut. So you can use control Z, control F1, F2, F3. There is any keywords as per your requirement, you can use it to uh, manage your categories, and you can put it as a single click. So for example, if I need to simplify this, or and I need to attach a category on this particular mail, so I just go to the category sections, I just click on it, it will automatically assign the categories on my mails. So if I'm going to filter out it, I just click on the category sections, it will automatically filter the mails based on their categories. So these things can help you to manage your mails as per the categories. So second one is the scheduling mails. So scheduling mails, if your manager is saying that okay, you have to send a mail at a particular time, but that time might be you are busy. So what you can do, you can schedule a mails. So here what you can do, you just click on the mail sections. After clicking on the mail section, there is a drop down, and you just schedule send, click on schedule send, and you can set up a time date, and you can choose the custom time. And once you have selected, you just type the mails and add the recipient over there, and you just click on the send. So once the time and date match, it will automatically send your mail to the recipient. Also there is a option is the highly important. It prioritize your mail. Okay, this is the mail is very uh, highly important, so you can use this option to simplified, or you can say the notified to the recipient. Okay, to grab their attention. Okay, this is very important mail, so you can use this option. We have the pictures, emojis, and tables that you can choose it. Okay, so these things that you can use it. For example, one more thing, that the shortcut to use your mail for scheduling a meeting. So here what you can do, you have, like for example, this is the mail. So this is mail sending by, we can select the mail having a multiple recipient. Okay. So this is email having a multiple user over there, and I want to schedule a meeting with these people, but without adding a member one by one. So what I can do, I just select this mail and to go to the meeting sections. It will automatically grab the data from my mails and put it in a Teams calendar. Okay, so here what you can do, see, it will automatically select the subject from the calendar. It will automatically add the recipient of the mails. Now you can schedule a date and time, and you can choose as a offline and online meeting. It also adding the mail trail of the your mail, your body. So it will automatically use your mail body to know to give the information to the recipient. Also what you can do, you can remove it, or you can select the particular content on the mail. So this is the very helpful to reduce uh, your workload. Also it will save your time. Okay, so one after completion this process, and what you can do, you can have the option to notify the people with before 30 minutes, 1 hours, 2 hours before. So before 1 hours it will automatically notify to you. You can manage this notification options over there, while after schedule the meeting, that user, your internal user can see you in the which, in which status. So you can choose status, as well as there is a sensitivity is a basically help, is a part of the DLP. So if you need to protect your mail, that nobody can share my this confidential mail from outside the organization, or recipient mailbox, from this recipient mail to any third party user, if he sent it, they will not be able to open it or access it, because the sensitivity is help us to encrypt my mail for recipient. So only those have the permission, they can able to enter it, access it. Otherwise, apart from that, they will not be able to open it. Second one is the third one is the private is basically used for when you are say sharing your calendar with someone. Okay, so if you have sent your calendar with someone and you don't want that the shared user will not be able to see your content and the data. Also, they are not unable to see the meeting uh, details. So you can choose the private option, they will not be able to access it. So it's you are the administrator of this calendar, you can use it. Once I have click on this, and it will automatically generate a meeting. I just go to the calendar option and I can see, okay, so someone has scheduled a meeting at, as per my requirement. Okay, so this thing will help you to manage your workload. Also, what you can do, you can you have, for example, you have schedule a meeting. Okay, so you have added the members, invite user, you can set up the title, just Adila, okay, and just send it. Okay, so I have scheduled a meeting with Adila, and I want to change the category of this particular calendar. What I can do, I can just right click on it, I can choose go to the category and just click on it. So it will help us to manage the teams meeting as per the category options. Also, what you can do, you can add the calendar over there. So if, for example, if you need to add your personal calendar from the G's, Google, Outlook, any of the personal calendar you need to add it, you can add in a second. So this is the option that you can choose it. Once you have added, you can use the overlay to manage the meeting of both personal as well as the your working one. Okay, so for example, you have set up the calendar and now you want to share the calendar with someone. So what you can do, you can enter the mail ID of that user, uh, where you want to share, okay, whom you are sharing. So I just share with this Adela. I can set up the permission of my calendar to Adela, so I can give them a view all detail. I just click on share, it will automatically add my the sharing list. So for example, if I want to remove the Adila from my shared mailbox option, so at that time, I what I can do, I just click on the shared calendar option. I just choose first the calendar as one. So I just select the calendar, share, just click on the share calendar option. Now I can see the Adila. I just remove it. Okay, delete. Also, you can change the permission from there as well. So these things that you can use it, you can use the day option to filter out the meetings, your week, your month. So these things that you can choose it for your, as per your requirement. Also, what you can do, you can shift, or you can add multiple calendars over there. I just check. Okay, so these things that you can use it. Also having one more thing that you can use it to manage the calendar. So for example, there is a time slack scale. To time scale give you the scaling options, like for example like this. Recently, without as the default, Microsoft will provide you a 30-minute of the time scale. But if you want to change as a 1 hour of scale, 6 hour of scale, any of the scale that you are, the maximum is the 60. So I just click on the 60, it will automatically give you the 1 hours of the difference of your time scale. So this thing that you can use it, otherwise you can put it as a 30. But for example, if in your organization is having a multiple location, and you want to schedule a meeting as per their time zone as well. So you can go to the time zone, edit time zone, click on it, edit time zone, and you can add their time zone. You can add three time zone at a time. So once your and both two from another location. So for example, if I am just putting the USA calendar over there, or any of the Shubhang there, for example, I am just putting this calendar, I just save it. So what they can do, they can automatically add the calendar from this Singapore location. So what you can do, you can see, so you can schedule a meeting as per their convenient time, so which is comes for the both location. Also what you can do, you can remove it and save it. So these things will help you to manage the workloads or the calendar as well as. So the third one is the room. So if room is the one of the feature of the Microsoft, if you have the multiple location, and you also in their building have the multiple rooms, and you want to manage their rooms, that if it is already scheduled that rest of the people aware about, okay, so this room is already busy with, we are unable to booked it. So over there what we can do, we create a rooms. Once I have clicked it, I can select the rooms. Once I have scheduled it, and after some time somebody is trying to schedule rooms as per my time, as per my schedule time, so they will notify to, okay, this room is already busy. So these things that you can use it. Also what you can do, you can add your calendars over there. Once you have selected, it will automatically add the calendar over here. Okay, so these things that you can choose it for manage their workload. So if anyone have a questions regarding the shortcut features and the categories or services of the Outlook, you can ping me on the chat window. Will I will definitely give share you the uh, your solution of the queries. So thank you, thanks for the time. Thanks.